It's a best-selling and critically acclaimed children's book by Dr. Seuss, and kids at the Robert Fulton School get a special treat.
I do not like them, Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham.
No me gusta nada, Juan Ramón. No me gusta nada los huevos verdes con jamón.
Samantha loves the talking cat in the top hat and tries something new for breakfast.
He always makes me laugh. The best thing I like when I eat eggs, the green eggs, and the ham.
Mayor Sacco says this type of event teaches reading skills in a concentrated way within a true bilingual program.
This is all about not only education, but the enjoyment of children in the educational process.
After getting her laughs in, does Valeria recommend other kids read Green Eggs and Ham?
Yes.
A house, not with a box, not with a mouse, not with a fox. I will not eat them here or there. I do not like them anywhere.
In North Bergen, Jillian Risberg, Hudson County TV, committed to you.